Meena sat in the back row of her new classroom at Green Valley Learning Center. It was her first day, and she felt nervous. The class was full of new faces, and the group of students chatted happily before the lesson started. Meena had always been shy about speaking English. At her old school, she barely spoke during English lessons. I'll just make a mistake, she used to think. But something felt different here. Her new English teacher, Mr. Ali, entered the room with a warm smile. Good morning, everyone, he said. Welcome to our English journey. We will work together as a team, helping each other grow. Meena liked that. A team, not just individuals. She looked around and saw a crowd of students just like her. Some quiet, some confident, all learning. Mr. Ali held up a picture. This is a family, he said. It's a collective noun, a word for a group of people. Can you name more? A boy in the front raised his hand. Army? Great. Mr. Ali nodded. A flock of birds? Meena whispered to herself. She surprised even herself by raising her hand and saying it aloud. Excellent, Meena. That moment gave her a little boost. She started paying attention to more words in English that described groups. A herd of cows, a bunch of flowers, a class of students. During break time, Meena sat with a group of girls who were also learning. Do you want to practice English together after school? One girl asked. Meena smiled. Yes, I'd like that. After school, the small group met in the library. They brought books, asked questions, and helped each other with new words. They even made a list of collective nouns to memorize. Every day, they added more. A pack of wolves, a fleet of ships, a team of players. Week by week, Meena's confidence grew. She didn't just study alone. She practiced with a supportive community. And little by little, her fear of English faded. By the end of the term, she stood in front of the class and gave a short speech. She made a few small mistakes, but no one laughed. The whole classroom clapped. She felt proud.